I'm just going to show you how the mechanism works. So here it is. I'm going to get right on this branch right here. So I'm going to pull this, and you can see the blade comes up, and it just kind of slices through it. Just like that. And down it falls. And that's basically how it works. So just pulling this makes that, gives you that power to cut through them. And that's how you do it. As you can see, we're doing pretty good right now. So I want to get this branch up here, but it's not quite high enough yet. So the way I do that is I release this lock. You see how it shows the lock thing on it? When I push this open, now I can extend this, but I first have to push this, and then it extends. You follow me? So I'm going to show you how that works. So you got to release that. Once it's released, then you can push this, and this will slide up. I'll show you. See how it just slides up? But I got to keep my finger on it, and it just goes right up as high as I want. And once I get to where I want it, then I just bring the collar back, snap it on, and bam, Bob's your uncle. And we're ready to cut some stuff. As you can see, I've set it up here. It's on this branch, and then I just got to pull it. I cut right through it. That's it. Bam, done.